What's up, guys? Shisui. I can never say it. Shisui with the crow. So we'll draw the crow first because he's like in front of Shisui's face, right? So let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. Center point of my page is about here, right? So we're going to start about here for the top of the bird's beak. So we just start with this like sort of curved line, right? This sort of hill. And then his pointy beak out to there, and then it comes back up like so. So we got like a curve up, down, and back up, right? And the back of the beak comes around that line, and then down like so, and then back in for the bottom part of the beak. Ugh. Stop moving, page. Like that. And the nose just there. So head, sort of sketchy. It can be hairy and feathery. Just coming back this way. Doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but eventually it'll smooth itself out off the page. The neck comes down here, again feathery. Start to see these sort of bumping lines because we're feathers going down that way. And what we can see of the wing sort of starting here. Like so, like another sort of line there. So the crow's eye, it's kind of like a lemon shape, right? So it goes like back this way on top, and then spikes back like so, like a real spiky lemon. It's got a Mangekyo Sharingan, so we got the iris lines just here. Pupil in there, another line around that, like another circle. Try to get around it like, you know, like a bullseye sort of situation. So you want it to be as circular as you can. And then Mangekyo Sharingan. So it's weird in this picture, they have his Mangekyo as like curved, but if I'm not mistaken, his Mangekyo Sharingan should be like boxy, sort of like straight. Am I right? People who know about Mangekyo Sharingans will know what I'm talking about. So I will attempt to do this my own sort of way, kind of drawn a box like one. So what I'll do is go like down there, right? And then yeah, it should be boxy. So we'll go, because Shisui's Sharingan is this way. So it goes down to there. And then again, we got a spike. It's slightly curved, but it's mostly like a box kind of thing. And then that way. And then spiky there. Okay, and like in there is all sort of black and stuff. Okay, and the crow has like some lines around there. So that's the crow basically. You can add some texture if you want. Now, Shisui's face, to get it all in the right place, right? I'm just going to add his headband. It's just coming across here. Right, so that's how big we're dealing with. So like the back of his headband is like here. This is the like size we're talking about, okay? He's got a sideburn just here. And then his eye will be in here, okay? And typical Naruto eye. So we carve a line like so. And then this comes down and across into here. So that's your general shape. You got to add a top eyelid line. Like what I mean is make it thicker and add some like eyelashes, right? So you're going to go just add some extra weight to this and flick a little bit out there, because that's the sort of shape of Shisui's eye. Maybe another little flick down there. So then his Sharingan, again, Mangekyo box like. So we'll do the eye first, so like the iris circle, just coming around. If you have like a coin or a compass, feel free to use that to help you get the circle. Right, and then again, pupil, rather small in there. And then another circle around that circle. Like so. And then we go for this box like Mangekyo. Right, like that. If you want, we can like darken up the edge of his eye a little bit. Right, then we got an eyelid line just here. His eyebrow then goes underneath his headband, just like this sort of little spike there. Then he's got a nose line. And his jaw comes down like so, and it disappears behind his collar, right? So that comes just across there. So then his other side of his face is just here. So some more features. We got some nostrils just about here. So generally your nostrils is about halfway between your eyes and your chin. So like this level, see here, and this are about the same. So here to here is about the same as here to here. His chin will be a bit lower, but for the purposes of this picture, this is our level, okay? And they draw in his nostrils like the skin at the side. And then his mouth, so downturned, long mouth. You want the edges of your mouth to be kind of underneath the eyes, roughly, like so. And then his bottom lip there. And then his neck, like that. And we can see an ear here. Your earlobe roughly lines up with the tip of your nose, and the top with the eyebrow. And then ear lines, like that. That's all they've drawn in. You can see like a tip of his other ear here. Right, and then hair spikes. So let's say here, spiking. Like that. And then the metal plate. got some like metal studs. And then we have the leaf village symbol, right? So it's a spiral. So we got like a square end here, and then this spirals around to a tail. You could do a single line if you wanted, but we're going to do a double, right? So we're going to go around again. And this one will come out to a beak, like a point. And then we go up around to the tail from there. And just to make it look double, we add that. And then there's a bottom line on the headband here, just an edge line, like so. And some more long hair hanging down here, spikes. Oh, and here. Right, back of his collar curves around that way, and then the rest of the collar just goes down here. Can we see the other side? No. Crow is covering the other side. Okay. I think that's everything. That's how to draw Shisui with his crow. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.